Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size while reading an email in Outlook. This is incredibly useful if you find yourself squinting at small text or simply want a more comfortable reading experience. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account so all your emails can load properly. This step is essential as you'll need access to your inbox to demonstrate how the font adjustment works. Now that your emails have loaded, we're going to select a sample email to showcase the process. Simply double-click on any email you'd like to open. This will open the email in its own window, giving you full access to all the reading tools and options available in Outlook. Once your email is open, you'll notice there are actually two simple ways to adjust the font size while reading. Let's start with the first method. Look toward the top part of your screen where all your menus and tools are located. You should be able to spot the zoom option directly in the toolbar. Click on it to reveal its functions. A zoom while reading window will appear on your screen. This is where the magic happens. From here, you can choose your preferred zoom level from the provided percentage options, or you can use the navigation buttons to manually adjust the zoom level up or down until it feels just right. Here's a helpful tip. If you want Outlook to remember your preference so you don't have to adjust it every time, simply toggle the checkbox that says Remember My Preference. This ensures your chosen zoom level stays consistent across all your emails. Now, if you prefer a quicker method without opening any menus, there's an even simpler way to adjust your font size on the fly. Just hold down your Control key on your keyboard and use your mouse scroll wheel. Scroll up to zoom in and make the text larger, or scroll down to zoom out and make it smaller. This method is perfect if you want instant control without clicking through any options. And that's it. You now have two straightforward methods to change the font size while reading emails in Outlook, making your reading experience much more comfortable and tailored to your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.